Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to take you through Windows 11 calculator. Windows 11 calculator is an advanced calculator because it has so many features that I want to show you. I actually don't need to have the normal scientific calculator, because this is the calculator that I should be using all the time. It has all the features that I want. It has the history. You can see history around here, history of activities or summations, multiplication or sums that I will have done. If you look here, for example, if I say I add this to this, I do that, I had this, I do that, you can see here there is a history of what I am doing. So this is a very wonderful calculator, and it has not only the standard calculator, but there's so much that you can navigate through. If you open this hamburger menu, you can see that the calculator has a scientific interface where you can do all the scientific calculations. It has trigonometry, it has functions. You can see the different functions that are there. You can see different trigonometry functions that are here. So you also can opt to go for graphing. You can see there is a graph provided for you so that you can do all the graph work. There's also a programmer. You can see the different programming functions, and there's also different bit shift. As you can look, there's arithmetic shift, logical shift, rotate circular shift, and so on. There is so much that you can do around the programmer functions. There is also the date calculation, where you can do the date differences and get the differences. You can see the differences provided here. There's also addition of dates. You can add dates, and you can see from around here I have different tabulations. I'm told after I keyed in the number of years, months and days, this is what will come out of it. I also have the converter. You don't have the calculator alone. There is also the converter. Around this place we have the currency. We have currency around here. You can convert your currency as you wish. Like for example, if I want to convert my US dollar, say I want to convert my 40 US dollars, I am able to get my Kenya shillings. The equivalent of 40 US dollars is 4,378. So that's around the currency. I also can work on volume. I have millimeters. I can convert teaspoons, I can convert tablespoons and all that. I can convert milliliters to different centimeters. I can do so much with this calculator. I can also do length. You can see I can convert centimeters to inches, centimeters to meters, millimeters, and all that. I can also convert volume. I can change milliliters to cubic centimeters, cubic inches, cubic feet, and all these options. So much options. I don't need my scientific calculator anymore. This is enough for me. I can check on weight. I can check on 40 kg is equivalent to 88 pounds, equivalent to 1,410 ounces. There is so much. There is also this other part here, which will also give you more details around here, more details around conversions. I can also check on temperature, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius. There is so much I can do with my calculator. This is the real scientific calculator. I can also check on energy. The good thing with this calculator, when you're trying to do something, when if you want to convert say for example currency, if you want to convert currency, if you are online, you can get up to date conversions. Everything is up to date. That was on energy. I can check on area. I can change square meters to square feet. I can change square millimeters to square centimeters. I can work around all that. If I go to speed, I can change kilometers per hour to feet per second, miles per hour, knots per hour. There is so much I can do. I can also check on time. I can check on power. I can check on, there is so much pressure data. I can check on angles. I can do so much things with my scientific or inbuilt Windows 11 free, of course, free calculator. So guys, don't go there and buy a calculator. This is the calculator that you wanted. This is what you really want. You don't need to go to Google and search for currency converter, search for temperature, search for weight and mass, and search for length and volume. No. This time round, Windows has the best calculator in it. So make good use of the calculator that you are given, and I believe this calculator will be the best, of course, for you in your calculation. So thank you so much, and if this video is so interesting, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe to the channel so that when I give you another content, you will be among the guys who will receive the content. So thank you so much for the view. I treasure that view, and I believe you will continue supporting me through your views. So thank you so much. Until I see you in my next video. See ya.